ไม่ใช่อย่าไปอันจับเนาะตัวผู้ใจดีจังเลยยังไปจะเป็นกรรมมันมาดูมีเยอะ
Perlu kan lawan teman. Kan sewan yang sing lemot me.
แต่ดีบ่พี่เป็นกำฮอกเอกเอปิกก็ตายนี่ละยอชงทุกหลังหากิสุรกบ่บาอมหากิเบสเนียวมังงาบัดมาพี่นี่ละบันวันรายก็จิงกันละเอ้ยเป็นเล่อยู่ขัดกันได้ตริกูอีปรึ
19 April and leave but P they can vote.
Come join us this 19th of April and let's make a change by voting together.
Ampati's weekly market square was alive with the pulsating beats of the traditional Garo drum, marking the commencement of the Dul Doka voter education program. Organized by the Chief Electoral Officer Meghalaya in collaboration with the District Administration, West Garo Hills and Achik Theatre Tura, the event aimed to educate voters and enhance their participation in the upcoming 2024 Lok Sabha Election. The event attracted a diverse crowd, including young and old voters, as well as children, showcasing the community's interest and engagement in the electoral process. Deputy Commissioner and District Election Officer Hema Nayak graced the occasion as the chief guest, addressing the enthusiastic audience. Nayak underscored the significance of voter turnout and urged all eligible voters to exercise their franchise on the polling day on April 19, 2024. She reassured attendees that provisions such as home voting for the elderly and persons with disabilities and wheelchair assistance would be available to ensure inclusivity and accessibility. District officials, including the SDSEO in charge, Southwest Garo Hills, Mful Sech Marak, and members of the Ampati Bazaar Committee, also participated in the event, demonstrating a collective effort to promote voter awareness and engagement.
So, I would like to request you again to continue the spirit that you had shown in all the previous elections and keep voting in this Lok Sabha election also. We would like to highlight that our office from our election team, we are fully ready, and next Friday is the voting, as all of you know. April 19th है, पता है ना? Everybody knows? You know the dates? Everybody knows? Yes. So this is our request from DC office. I would like to highlight a few things that we are adding this time. For example, home voting that was introduced from last general election. घर घर जाके vote collection क्या है ना, आपने देखा है? You have seen our voting teams. घर घर जाके vote collection किया है ना? You must have seen. So, and on top of that, those who are elderly, those who need some assistance to come to the polling station, जिनको चलने में थोड़ा मुश्किल है, उनके लिए, so this time from CEO office, we are getting wheelchairs in all the polling stations, almost wherever there is marking of PWD voters, वहाँ पे wheelchair हम दे देंगे, so that everybody can use the facility and vote.